So the other day I posted a video about a guy loading a Georgia buggy and it fell off the truck. That actually was not even us. I just made it edited, made it look like it was us. So this is how we load our buggies. We use these ramps. Same with the Bobcat. Same with the tractor. Right up it. That other one was too steep. To be honest, this is the type of skid steer I would look to buy. I want track machine. I want it to be tracks that go under the machine like that. You can see him spraying form oil on them. Oh, a little sketchy. There's one. We got another one. It's kind of sketchy. It'll pop up. You're good. Good job. We'll strap them down, and that's that. Now we are ready to roll. Buggies we're taking to this next job. It's going to be pretty interesting. 7 yards, 7.5 yards. Gotta wheel it like a mile. All downhill, both ways. Good morning, YouTube. Today we are going to pour 7.5 yards over there at that job in Danville with all the posts that you saw us prepping. I wanted to show you guys the tools that you need to basically do a pour like this. You definitely need your concrete brooms. Definitely gonna need your rubber boots. Gonna need some draggers. You're gonna need your bullfloat handles. You also need your hand tools, which basically floats, edgers, joiners, trowels, all that stuff. Gotta have the strike-off board. You're gonna need knee boards. Bring just that stuff to a concrete pour, you'll be alright. Justin's here. Let's go pour some concrete. So we're getting ready to pour. It's pour day. You see we got all the post wrapped in expansion. Got some plywood down. I messed up. I bought tin foil instead of saran wrap, so that's why you see tin foil on it. But that's it. We're ready for mud. That's got to be some sort of record for the longest concrete transport on YouTube. I've seen Bondo do a pretty far one. I've seen Concrete with the Hosses do a pretty far one. And I always hear West Coast talking about he could pump it 300 feet up a building, but I never see him do it.
back on the right or what?
Now let's yeah, right there. Yep. Put a little water in that. Here, I got it. Just throw it out there. No, I don't want to do that yet. Let me get this. I gotta float around these posts on the other way. I can see my grate on this side. We'll just start on.
Which way are we going? Which way?
I want to pull up this wall one time. Just hold off on that for a minute. Go all the way to your form real quick. Alright, go with it. Go with it.
Yes, I'm just losing my mind again. I tell myself
push a little mud in. Yeah. All right, reach up to me real quick. Stay behind me a little bit. Stay behind you when you're in front of me like this. I can't get it where I need to be. I need you to reach up. Hold on. Just leave it right there for a minute. Shortboard around these posts. I don't have a great stick. You're alright. Yeah. Let me make sure this is still going. Yeah, it is. All right.
Oh, that brings so good.
We ain't gonna be able to go very far. This is really just to check it. Go ahead.
Pull this back.
Go ahead and get your side, and then I'll get mine. Justin, you push a little mud right there, just a little bit. There you go. All right, let's go. All right, reach to me, nice and easy. That's all I got. All right, we'll put one more bucket in here so we can cut this grade across here. Not where he is. Stay back right there real quick. All right, reach up one more time. One more time. Reach up as far as you can. Now I think I could shortboard that now. I need a shortboard. We got a couple buckets of water.
It's over there.
I need my float too. Where is that motherfucker? Let me see here.
Drag it across the grade or?
No, pull it that way. Hold on, take it your way. Okay, let me see that real quick. What? Just watch. There's cameras around here. Just watch. There's cameras around here. You just don't just walk right into one. Here you go, Dad. Steven, I'm gonna have you come around here and get on this side. Make sure you're pushing cream up against the wall so it's not holding any water. Floating out these lines. Getting on this side. You're crawling it. Might not be quite ready. I know that wall was stuck.
Yeah, margin trowel.
You grab him a margin trowel?
Push the joint and you come off again.
Go across there.
Dad, we throw me that little 2x4, wherever it is. It's up there. Thank you.
I'm training this old guy about 2 weeks ago. Training about 3 weeks. He got real lippy with me one day. And I said something to him and he swung at me, dude. I ducked him and he fell in the ditch. This guy's like 62 years old. I stopped on his head, climbed out of the hole. I come up out of the hole, he come up behind me, grabbed me by the chest, pulled me backwards, turned me around, swung again, fell down. He picked a shovel up, come and hit me with it. I pinched him once in the face and knocked him out.
Wow.
Yeah, I thought we both get fired for it, but turns out they fired him and didn't fire me.
Huh.
I got a suspension for cussing. 3-day suspension for cussing. That's what I was doing. Go after, dude. Ask me for it, man.
Yeah.
Nobody asked. Nobody asked.
Before you go too far, hey. Justin, before you go too far, I'm going to say
Go off the page a little bit. I'll come in.
No.
When you poke, I don't have to sign those joints. No, we're not signing those joints here at all. Huh? Yeah, a little bit.
Hold on, I'm about done with these boards. Try to lift it up when you go over the joints.
broom back. One clean or not?
Here you go, Steven.
I didn't know
Sweet spot right here. Need that broom back.
Here you go.
Wet right now.
Yeah. Make sure you feather all those. Anything that's dry's got to be either floated out. This is tricky.
Joint, pick it up, start on the other side. Or
Hey, you gotta get. Hey! You gotta go in front of that post so I can't go past it. No, it's not back to you. Just too much. Too towards. There you go. You can start me up against the wall.
Well, I already broomed it there.
Well, yeah, but it's better to pull over it.
Then you have to pick me up.
Why'd you do that?
I was gonna hit the post.
Oh. Now we're gonna have to, you gotta wait because we just clogged up the joint. Steven's gotta reach up.
Hey! I can't go over the top of that pipe.
He's gonna have to slide underneath of it, so you probably have to move your knee board back.
You gotta go to the right. I'm not far enough out.
Sliding all over the place.
Okay.
Oh, too much.
Just I can't go around that pipe when you take that far over. A little more towards you.
Justin, you're gonna find out, buddy.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Pull over that again, Dad. Here, try not to broom all that. Because it's a different broom. Just go over it with the edger. Let me see that brush. Let me see that. Yeah, just go over it with the edger. Grab me one, will you? They're right over there on the other side of that fence.
That's good enough, buddy.
That's just about it. We got a couple more swipes and we'll be done. Here's what she looks like. Not bad for a couple white boys that don't know what they're doing. Can you not get an edge over here? Right here?
Forgot about it.
Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, the very last step is to do these faces. What I do is, if they're dry like this, I get them wet with the brush. Get that top lip good and wet. Then I take my fiber float and just hit it with my fiber float. And once you got it like that, take your brush, brush it. That's it. Wet it, scrub it, brush it. We're finally done getting stuff cleaned up. It's been a long day. You can see the pad in the background. Looks pretty good, really. So I guess he's got some, what is it, Dad?
Looking straight up or on the rocks?
I can't partake. What is it? Indiana straight.
Uh-huh.
Woo! Barrel proof. How many proof? 125? Whew. Yeah, I can't partake.
He hadn't cracked that yet.
Wow. Yeah, if you haven't cracked it, I wouldn't even crack it.
I want to crack it.
That's what it turned out like, boys. Not too bad.